Weather vocabulary in English. Sunny. Mine, bright with a lot of sunlight. It is sunny today. We went to the beach on a sunny day. Rainy. Mine, full of rain. It is rainy this morning. I like reading books on rainy days. Cloudy. Mine, full of clouds. The sky is cloudy today. It was cloudy but not cold. Windy. Mine, with strong wind. It is very windy outside. The weather was cold and windy. Stormy. Meaning, with strong wind, rain, and thunder. The night was stormy. We stayed inside because it was stormy. Hot. Mine, high temperature. It is very hot today. Summer is usually hot here. Cold. Mine, low temperature. It is cold this morning. I wear a jacket in cold weather. Warm. Mine, little hot. The weather is warm today. I like warm evenings. Foggy. Mine, hard to see because of fog. It is foggy this morning. The road is foggy today. Humid. Mine, air feels wet and sticky. It is very humid today. I feel uncomfortable in humid weather. Dry. Mine, no rain. The weather is dry this week. It stayed dry all day. Breezy. Mine, a light and pleasant wind. It is breezy this evening. The weather is cool and breezy. Drizzle. Mine, light rain. It is drizzling outside. We walked in the light drizzle. Snowy. Mine, snow falling. It is snowy in winter. We had a snowy morning.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.